Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms to connect with your audience to build your brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. This involves publishing great content on your social media profiles, listening to and engaging your followers, analyzing your results, and running social media advertisements. To get started with social media marketing, you should first choose the social media platforms that are most relevant to your business. Then, you can set up your profiles and start posting content that is valuable to your target audience. In addition to posting your own updates, it's also important to listen to and engage with your followers, as this can help you build stronger relationships with them. There are many tools available to help you with your social media marketing efforts, such as Hootsuite and Buffer, which allow you to schedule and automate your posts, as well as analyze your results. You can also use paid advertising on social media to reach a larger audience and drive traffic to your website. It's important to keep in mind that social media marketing requires time and resources, and it's not always easy to see immediate results. However, with a well-thought-out strategy and consistent effort, it can be a powerful way to reach and engage with your audience. There are several key strategies you can use to build your brand. Define your brand. Consider what makes your brand unique and what you want it to stand for. Develop a brand positioning statement that clearly defines your brand and its place in the market. Create a visual identity. This includes designing a logo and choosing colors, fonts, and other visual elements that represent your brand. Develop a brand voice. This refers to the tone and personality of your brand's communication, including how you talk to your customers and what you say on social media and other platforms. Consistency is key. Consistently use the same visual identity and brand voice across all of your marketing materials, including your website, social media, and advertising. Engage with your audience. Interact with your customers and followers on social media and other platforms, and respond to their comments and questions. This helps build trust and loyalty with your audience. Stay true to your brand. Make sure that everything you do, from the products or services you offer to the way you communicate with your customers, is aligned with your brand values. By following these strategies, you can effectively build and promote your brand, helping you stand out in a crowded market and build a loyal customer base. There are many strategies you can use to increase sales for your business. Offer great products or services. Make sure you are offering high-quality products or services that meet the needs and wants of your target audience. Use targeted marketing. Use marketing tactics that are specifically designed to reach and appeal to your target audience. This might include targeted ads, email marketing, or social media marketing. Offer promotions and discounts. Consider offering promotions, such as discounts or buy one get one free offers, to encourage people to buy from you. Use upselling and cross-selling techniques. Upselling is when you encourage customers to buy a higher-priced version of the product they are interested in, while cross-selling is when you suggest related products to go with their purchase. Make the purchasing process easy. Make it easy for customers to find and purchase your products, either online or in store. This might include offering multiple payment options and streamlining the checkout process. Provide excellent customer service. Treat your customers well, and they will be more likely to buy from you again in the future. This includes responding to customer inquiries and complaints in a timely and helpful manner. By implementing these strategies, you can increase sales and drive revenue for your business. There are many tactics you can use to drive traffic to your website. Search engine optimization, SEO. By optimizing your website's content and technical elements for search engines, you can increase the chances that your site will rank highly in search results, which can drive more organic traffic to your site. Pay-per-click, PPC advertising. By placing ads on search engines or other websites and paying a fee each time someone clicks on your ad, you can drive targeted traffic to your site. Social media marketing. By promoting your website and content on social media platforms, you can drive traffic to your site from people who are interested in your business or industry. Content marketing. By creating and promoting valuable, informative content on your website, you can attract and retain a clearly defined audience, which can drive more traffic to your site over time. Email marketing. By building an email list and sending newsletters or promotional emails to your subscribers, you can drive traffic to your website. Influencer marketing. By partnering with influencers in your industry and promoting your website through their channels, you can reach a larger audience and drive traffic to your site. By using these tactics, you can drive more traffic to your website and increase the visibility of your business online. To choose the social media platforms that are most relevant to your business, consider the following factors. Your target audience. Consider where your target audience is most active online. For example, if you are targeting younger demographics, you may want to focus on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Your industry and business goals. Different social media platforms are better suited for different industries and business goals. For example, LinkedIn is a good platform for B2B companies, while visual platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are well suited for e-commerce businesses. Your resources. Consider how much time and resources you have to devote to social media marketing. It's better to focus on a few platforms and do them well, rather than trying to be active on every platform and spreading yourself too thin. Your competitors. Look at what social media platforms your competitors are using and consider whether those platforms make sense for your business as well. By considering these factors, you can choose the social media platforms that will be most effective for reaching and engaging with your target audience and achieving your business goals. Posting your own updates on social media is an important part of building your brand and engaging with your audience. Some tips for creating effective updates include: keep it relevant. Make sure your updates are relevant to your business and your target audience. Add value. Your updates should provide value to your followers, whether that's through entertainment, education, or inspiration. Use visuals. Include eye-catching visuals, such as images or videos, to make your updates more engaging. Use hashtags. Hashtags make it easier for people to discover your updates and can help you reach a larger audience. Keep it short. Make sure your updates are easy to read and understand, and get to the point quickly. Use calls to action. Encourage your followers to take a specific action, such as visiting your website or signing up for your email list. By following these tips, you can create effective updates that will help you build your brand and engage with your audience on social media. Listening and engaging with your followers on social media is important because it helps you build relationships with them and establish your brand as a trusted and responsive company. Some specific strategies for listening and engaging with followers include: monitor your social media accounts regularly. Set aside time each day to check your social media accounts for new comments, reviews, and messages, and respond to them in a timely manner. Engage with your followers. Like, comment, and share your followers' content, and respond to their comments and questions. This helps show that you value their engagement and helps build a sense of community. Ask for feedback. Encourage your followers to share their thoughts and opinions about your business, and be responsive when they do. This can help you understand what your customers like and what areas you can improve. Monitor social media for mentions of your brand. Use social media monitoring tools to track when your brand is mentioned online, and respond to any comments or questions. This can help you address any issues or concerns that your customers may have. By actively listening and engaging with your followers on social media, you can build stronger relationships with them and create a more positive brand image. Scheduling and automating your posts can help you save time and ensure that you are consistently posting on social media. There are several tools you can use to schedule and automate your posts, including Hootsuite. This platform allows you to schedule and publish posts across multiple social media platforms, as well as track and analyze your results. Buffer. This tool allows you to schedule and publish posts on multiple social media platforms, as well as track and analyze your performance. Later. This platform is specifically designed for Instagram, and allows you to schedule and publish posts, as well as analyze your performance. To use these tools, you will typically need to connect your social media accounts and then create a schedule for your posts. You can write and schedule your posts in advance, and the tool will automatically publish them at the scheduled times. It's important to keep in mind that while scheduling and automating your posts can save you time, it's still important to be actively engaged with your followers and respond to their comments and questions in a timely manner. Paid advertising on social media platforms can be an effective way to reach a larger audience and drive traffic to your website. Some specific tactics you can use include sponsored posts. These are posts that you pay to have promoted to a larger audience on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You can use sponsored posts to promote specific products, services, or events. Social media advertising. Many social media platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, offer advertising options that allow you to target specific demographics and interests. You can use these options to reach a larger audience and drive traffic to your website. Influencer marketing. Partnering with influencers in your industry and promoting your products or services through their channels can be an effective way to reach a larger audience. When using paid advertising on social media, it's important to carefully consider your budget and target audience, and track the results of your campaigns to see what is most effective. It can also be helpful to use A/B testing to determine which ads perform best. To summarize, social media marketing is the use of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to promote your brand, products, or services. It involves creating and sharing valuable content, engaging with followers, analyzing results, and running paid advertising campaigns. To succeed at social media marketing, you should choose the right platforms for your business, create a consistent brand image, and actively listen and engage with your followers. There are also tools and paid advertising options available to help you with your efforts.